Welcome back to this abbreviated version of Primetime News. And again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the government is responding to claims that third country nationals will be housed at a property in St. Mary pending the outcome of their case by immigration officials in the United States. And as you'll hear in this report, it's still not clear when the first batch of 25 will arrive. There are more questions than answers about where the government will house the first batch of third country nationals when they arrive in Jamaica. In an interview with TVJ News on Saturday, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang refuted suggestions that they would be accommodated in St. Mary.
There are no third country nationals in St. Mary currently, and there is no arrangement to house any third country member in the institution in St. Mary.
But if not St. Mary, then where?
St. Mary was never an option.
I don't know what the relevant technical people are doing. They might have looked at St. Mary. It was unlikely because they want them to be near points of transport.
Can you say what are the areas being looked at?
No, I'm not looking at any area. When the technical people who are involved in the migration operation decide to look around, they look for a facility that they think can be made available.
Some Jamaicans have expressed concerns about the background of some of the third country nationals being sent to Jamaica. Dr. Chang reiterated that those being sent from the U.S. are not criminals, but illegal migrants whose claims are yet to be determined by the United States. And so, we asked whether residents would be engaged before the location for housing is selected.
We're going to have to use a commercial place. If we take a private residence, we'll have to engage the resident community. But if the international organization for migration, which will be working with us, find a hotel and lease it, that's their privilege. It's a business activity. Remember, they'll be coming here in transition, and like we transition anybody else to Jamaica, they'll not be subject to detention. So if we are working with the international organization for migration, they will identify the venue with us, and it's a commercial operation.
As uncertainty lingers about where the first batch of 25 under the program will reside, there are also questions about when they will arrive.
When do you expect this to be finalized, and when is it that we can expect the first set of TCNs?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
No idea whatsoever?
No, because we have to go through a process, a legal process to process them. I have to give legal status, we have to find the accommodation, and we have to discuss with the government that will be sending them when they're available and the type of people coming. You have to go to the regular due diligence. So there's some time to come.